In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Sierra Chart Custom Studies. By the end, you'll know exactly how to attach a custom study to your chart so you can visualize signals, indicators, or calculations that go beyond the built-in tools. First, make sure you have the chart open that you want to work with. Take a quick moment to confirm you're on the correct symbol and the specific chart where you want the study to appear. This keeps everything organized and ensures you're applying the study exactly where you need it. Next, open the Studies interface. You can do this by going to the Analysis menu at the top and selecting Studies, or simply pressing F6 on your keyboard. Both options take you to the same place. The Studies window is where you control which studies are applied to your chart and how they're configured. Once you're in the Add Study window, look for the button labeled Add Custom Study and click it. This is the gateway to all your custom content. It tells Sierra Chart you're not adding a standard built-in indicator, but one that's been created or provided separately. You'll now see a list you can expand. This list groups your available custom studies, often by developer name, category, or file. Expand the relevant folder and locate the custom study you want to use. If the study has already been installed on your system, it will appear here. If you don't see it, it likely means it isn't installed yet, and you'll need to obtain it from the provider before it can appear in this list. For now, select the name of the custom study you want. With the study highlighted, click Add. You'll notice it moves into the Studies to Graph area, indicating it's queued to be applied to your chart. Then click OK to confirm and close the window. That's it. The study is now applied. Many studies will display directly over your price bars, while others use a separate region below the main chart for oscillators or volume-style outputs. If defaults are provided, the study will use them immediately. You can always return to Analysis, open Studies again, and adjust inputs later if you want to fine-tune colors, lengths, or calculations. To recap, open the chart you want. Go to Analysis and choose Studies or press F6. Click. Add Custom Study. Expand the list to find your installed study, then click Add and OK. You've successfully attached a custom study to your Sierra chart, and you're ready to analyze your market with enhanced insight,